Well, very good morning, all of you. Dear student, this is Dharmen sir, and I am going to explain the part third of your chapter, the jalebis. Student, I think the chapter is giving you a lot of interest and a new kinds of lust to get hot and syrupy jalebis. Am I right? Okay, that's for you. Oh, let's start the chapter third because you have got the introduction and almost the story. You come to know that what happened in the above paragraphs and above parts. That the one of his student who has spent his money on jalebis and now he had a fear. He had a fear to get scolded from his parents. That's why what happened with that student or the child, let's check in this chapter, in this part. There was a sad giving tree beside the railway track. I sat under it and wondered whether there could possibly be a more unfortunate child than me in this world. That means after spending his money on jalebis, he went to a railway station and there sat in a shade of a tree and thinking himself that the most unfortunate boy in the world. That's because of he had done the wrong things. Because he spent his money on the jalebis. When the coins had falsely created a racket in my pocket, then entire matter seemed to simply and straightforward. Eat jalebis with the fees money and then pay the fees with the scholarship money. I thought that 2 and 2 added up 4 and could never be 5. How was I know that the sometime it added up to 5 as well? I had known that I would get the scholarship the next month. I would have postponed my jalebis eating program to the next month as well. Now for the crime of eating a few jalebis for the first time in my life, I was absent from the school and crouching in the shade of a tree in the deserted corner of a railway station. Sitting there under the tree, at first I felt like crying. That means he thinking some other alternative. That means whenever the first time his coins began to clinking in his pocket, then he had to stop. And then when the idea got stuck in his mind that why shouldn't we eat the jalebis of these monies and fee would be paid with the scholarship money which is about to get in the next day. And when such ideas came in our mind, we should deny that, provoke that ideas. मतलब जब ये मेरे दिमाग में ideas आया तो मुझे उसे छोड़ देना चाहिए था. Because he knows that 2 and 2 makes 4, but he never thinks that 2 and 2 makes 5 also. Because now the new problem is arise at the place of 1. Here he also mentioned that it's a universal that 2 and 2 make 4, but now is this time it just become 2 and 2 5 because one the misery is added in his problems. Then I felt like laughing when I struck me that the tears I was shedding were not the tears but drops of jalebi syrup. And then I was crying. And what the tears is rolling down from my eyes, it was not a tears, it was not a drops of tears, it was just a syrup of the jalebis. मतलब इस समय वो उसकी आंखों से जो आंसू आ रहे थे ना, वो रियली में उसके आंसू नहीं थे, बल्कि उसको लग रहा था जैसे वो जलेबी जो खा रखा था उसी के जो वो सिरपी जो जूस था वो बाहर निकल रहा था. From the jalebis, my thought went to the feast to the Master Ghulam Muhammad's cane and from his skin I thought of God. I closed my eyes and began to pray. And then I began to think about the jalebis, about the threat of Ghulam Muhammad, and about the fee money, and this all threatened me. I was thinking about the cane by which I was about to get punished. So student, यहाँ पर उस बच्चे की वो प्रॉब्लम जो अपने पैसे का जलेबी खा जाता है, वो शो करता है कि वो कितना डरा हुआ है. फॉर दैट इन द फर्स्ट टाइम ही हैज़ टू बंक हिज क्लास एंड sat under a tree of a corner of a station, railway station, deserted railway station, and each the things feels ridiculous for him. So student, here the message is also I want to give you that you shouldn't never do such things which is against the goodness. जो अच्छाई के विपरीत हो ना, वो काम आपको कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. What you want, if you want to eat something, then ask to your parents. Why shouldn't try to make some illegal things? आप ऐसी इलीगल चीज़ क्यों करोगे? जब आपको कुछ खाना हो तो आप अपने पेरेंट्स कहिए. Your parents will provide this for you. वो चीज़ आपके पेरेंट्स आपके लिए प्रोवाइड कराएंगे. Because parents do many things for you. So Allah Mia, I am very good boy. He also said that Allah Mia, I am very good boy. And I have memorized the entire namaz. And he also mentioned that, he also considers that or admitted that he pays the namaz each and every time. And even the last 10 surahs of the Quran by heart. Even he also said that the last 10 surahs of the Quran has been also learned by heart. That means he want buttering. He want to make a buttering of God. So he just open the shop of butters in front of the God. मतलब वो भगवान को अब थोड़ा सा क्या करता है, भगवान से ग्रेस पाना चाहता है. If you wish, I can recite the entire ayat al-Kursi for you just now. मैं अगर आप चाहें तो मैं आपके लिए आयत कि वो सारी आयतें भी सुना सकता हूँ जो मुझे याद हैं. The needs of your devout servants is only for the fees money that I ate and the jalebis swallowed. And just I want to just make these problems, what the money we have spent on the jalebis, just maintain this money and make it easy for me. So alright, I admitted that I made a mistake. He also admitted that it was a mistake which is done by him. And didn't eat them all by myself, but I fed them all to the whole lot of children too. But it was mistake. And he also mentioned that it was not my guilt only, but in spite of this, I have distributed the sweets or the jalebis among the whole children. But it is done by me. It's a mistake. Undoubtedly, it's a mistake of mine. If you know the scholarship money would be given the next month, I would neither have eaten them for fed them the others. If I just come to know that the scholar money is going to about the distributed in the next month, then definitely I wouldn't be eat. I didn't eat the jalebis for that money which is for my fees. वो कहता है कि भाई अगर मुझे पता रहता ना कि ये पैसे जो है जो स्कॉलरशिप के पैसे हैं वो नेक्स्ट मंथ मिलने वाले हैं तो मैं अपने पैसे के जलेबी कभी नहीं खाता. Now you do one thing, just put you 4 rupees in my bag. If there is a पैसा more than 4 rupees, I will be very displeased with you. अब वो भगवान से क्या कहता है, कहता है गॉड मीन्स अल्लाह तुम एक काम करो ना, चुपके से मेरे बैग में 4 रुपए डाल दो. I promise if I ever eat sweets with my fee money again, then let a thief's punishment be my punishment. Then again he admitted that if I done these things again, then you just punish me like a thief. अगर मैंने दोबारा ऐसी गलती की ना, मतलब अपने फी वाले पैसे की दोबारा अगर जलेबी खा ली तो तुम मुझे क्या करना, तो मुझे पनिशमेंट करना है एज ए थीफ की तरह. सो अल्लाह मियाँ, just this once help me out. इसलिए अल्लाह मियाँ सिर्फ इस बार आप मेरी मदद कर दो. There is no shortage of anything in your treasure. आपके तो खजाने में किसी चीज़ की कमी है नहीं. Even our चपरासी takes the whole lot of money home every month. Even our चपरासी जो है वो भी क्या करता है, whole money every month घर लेके जाता है. And अल्लाह जी, after all I am the nephew of a big officer. और मैं तो एक बिग ऑफिसर का नेफ्यू हूँ ना, तो मेरे लिए तो कुछ कीजिए आप. वॉन्ट यू गिव मी जस्ट 4 रुपी, क्या आप मुझे जस्ट केवल 4 रुपीज़ नहीं दे सकते? आफ्टर द प्रेयर आई ऑफर्ड नमाज, रिसाइट 10 सूरज, आयते उल कुर्सी, कलमाए तैयब, इन फैक्ट एवरीथिंग दैट आई रिमेंबर्ड. इसके बाद मैंने सारी चीज़ें, नमाज, कुर्सी, कलाम तैयब, आयतें, कुरान की सभी आयतें, जितना भी मुझे याद था मैंने सब कुछ सुना दिया. देन आई ब्लू ओवर माई बैग सेइंग चू. देन आफ्टर सेइंग बिस्मिल्लाह आई रियलाइज दैट वॉट दे वॉज ओनली इन ट्रू. नो वन कैन इरेज वॉट द फेट हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड. फिर मैंने पाया क्या कि जो भाग्य में लिखा है ना उसको कोई मिटा नहीं सकता. फॉरगेट 4 रुपीज़, 4 रुपये के विषय में तो भूल ही जाओ. देयर वॉरेंट इवन 4 पैसे इन माई बैग्स. यहाँ तक मेरे बैग में तो 4 पैसे भी नहीं थे. जस्ट अ फ्यू टेक्स्ट बुक एंड नोटबुक, जस्ट इन स्पाइट ऑफ सम टेक्स्ट बुक एंड नोटबुक्स, 1 पेंसिल, 1 शार्पर, 1 ID कार्ड माई मामू हैड सेंट मी लास्ट ID. और वो एक ID कार्ड, इसके अलावा मेरे बैग में कुछ भी नहीं था. सो this is the problem, and what he expressed and what he wants from the God side, this is given in the chapter. So student, after this I will explain the rest of the paragraphs. So listen these things carefully, watch this video carefully, and if there is any problem then you can write me on my WhatsApp and call me whenever you have a time. Thank you.